Struggling with weak erections and low energy? Feeling frustrated, embarrassed, or even worried things might not improve? You're not alone. But here's the harsh truth. This isn't just a phase. It's a warning sign from your body. And if you ignore it, things will only get worse. What if I told you that poor blood flow, low testosterone, and hormonal imbalances are silently sabotaging your performance every single day? Most men don't even realize it until it's too late. But don't panic, because today I'm going to share a solution. And no, it's not expensive pills or risky treatments. The fix could be sitting in your kitchen right now. I'm talking about a powerful, all-natural smoothie that can supercharge your blood flow, boost testosterone, and restore your performance. Stick around, because I'm about to give you the exact recipe that could transform your health and confidence starting today. Let's get one thing straight: weak erections don't just happen randomly. They're your body's way of telling you that something is off. The biggest culprit? Poor circulation. Without proper blood flow, your performance takes a major hit. Low nitric oxide levels make things even worse. When nitric oxide levels drop, your blood vessels tighten and restrict the flow you need for strong, lasting erections. Then there's hormonal imbalance. When your testosterone dips, your energy, confidence, and stamina crash as well. And don't overlook inflammation. It silently builds up over time, draining your stamina, slowing recovery, and leaving you feeling weaker. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive drugs or treatments to fight back. The fix? A simple, powerful smoothie packed with ingredients that naturally boost circulation, restore hormonal balance, and reduce inflammation. Let me show you how it works. This isn't just any smoothie. It's science-backed and packed with proven ingredients designed to increase blood circulation for harder, longer-lasting erections, boost nitric oxide levels to relax your blood vessels and improve blood flow, enhance testosterone production for better stamina and libido, fight inflammation with antioxidants to support overall hormonal balance. Ready to get started? Let's dive into the recipe. Here's what you'll need to make this powerful smoothie. Dark chocolate, 1 ounce, at least 70% cacao. Orange, 1 medium-sized, peeled. Fresh ginger, 1-inch piece, peeled. Unsweetened almond milk, 1 cup. Honey, 1 tablespoon, optional. Instructions: break the dark chocolate into small pieces and melt it. You can use a microwave, 20-30 seconds, or a double boiler. Peel the orange and remove the seeds. Chop the ginger into small pieces. Add the melted chocolate, orange, ginger, almond milk, and honey into a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. It's that simple and incredibly effective. Now, let's break down why each ingredient is a game changer. 1. Dark chocolate contains magnesium, helps relax blood vessels, improving circulation. Flavonoids boost nitric oxide levels to enhance blood flow to the genital area. Iron supports healthy blood circulation by helping red blood cells carry oxygen throughout your body. 2. Orange contains vitamin C, 53 mg, strengthens blood vessel walls and improves circulation. Potassium, 181 mg, helps regulate blood pressure, supporting heart health and erectile function. Flavonoids promote nitric oxide production, enhancing blood flow. 3. Fresh ginger contains potassium, 414 mg, regulates blood pressure and improves circulation. Testosterone support stimulates hormone production and enhances libido. Anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation, promoting better circulation and hormonal balance. 4. Honey contains a natural energy booster that increases stamina and enhances performance. Together, these ingredients form a powerful combination to naturally restore your stamina and vitality. For the best results, drink this smoothie once a day, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. This maximizes nutrient absorption and kickstarts your day with a natural energy boost. Consistency is key. Make it a part of your daily routine for 2 to 4 weeks, and you'll start noticing real improvements. In just a few days, you'll feel more energized with better circulation. After 1 week, stronger, more consistent erections and improved stamina. By week 4, your performance will peak, giving you a major confidence boost and a new level of control. Pro tip: sip it slowly to allow your body to absorb all the powerful nutrients. To get the most out of this smoothie, avoid these common mistakes. Consistency is crucial. Skipping days will slow your progress. Avoid using low-quality chocolate. Always use dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao for maximum benefits. Ignoring your diet, a smoothie alone won't solve everything. Cut back on sugar, alcohol, and processed foods to avoid sabotaging your results. Stay consistent. Use the right ingredients and complement this smoothie with a healthy lifestyle to maximize your results. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Try this smoothie today and experience the difference for yourself. Special note: this recipe can be suitable for heart and diabetic patients when made with unsweetened almond milk and without honey. Always consult with your healthcare provider to make sure it aligns with your specific needs. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're ready to boost your stamina, energy, and confidence naturally. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more natural health tips. Let's take control of your performance starting now. What's your favorite natural remedy for performance? Let's share ideas in the comments. Want more health tips? Explore my playlists on testosterone optimization, sleep, and performance hacks. Tried this smoothie? Let us know your results or share any recipe tweaks below.